So I'm in the design studio, typically half a day a week, dealing with aesthetics and look and feel things, and then most of the rest of the week is just going through engineering of the car itself, as well as engineering of the factory.
Elon Musk has just confirmed he's personally overseeing the design and engineering of Tesla's next big thing. According to multiple insider reports, this is the long-awaited Model 2, the compact EV that could crush legacy automakers, with an insane starting price of just $15,990. So, is this the beginning of the end for gas-powered vehicles? Can Tesla actually deliver a $16,000 car at scale, and soon? And what secret factory engineering is Musk talking about? Let's break it all down in today's video. But before we dive in, welcome to Autogearshift, the channel where we track Tesla's boldest moves, EV breakthroughs, and game-changing robotics, all in one place. A huge thank you to our first 1,000 subscribers. Your early support fuels everything we do. Now we're shifting gears toward our next goal, 1,357 subscribers. So if you're into practical tech, real data, and updates that actually matter, smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and stay ahead of the EV curve. Let's get into it. Historic turning point. How is the Tesla $15,000 dream finally real? Back in Investor Day 2023, Elon Musk hinted that Tesla was working on a next-gen EV platform that would cost less than half the price of a Model 3. That statement alone sent shockwaves through the auto industry. But now, speculation has turned into substance. Musk has officially confirmed he's spending the week inside Tesla's design studio, not just refining the vehicle's aesthetics, but also diving deep into its engineering, and that of the factory that will build it. When Musk says, "I'm in the design studio," it signals that the project has moved past the drawing board and into pre-prototype review. His reference to dealing with its aesthetics and look and feel suggests the exterior form factor is nearly finalized. The phrase, engineering of the car itself, points to the team working through final adjustments in drivetrain, battery integration, and software architecture. But perhaps most telling is the focus on engineering of the factory, likely a nod to Giga Mexico or even Giga Texas, where Tesla appears to be reinventing how EVs are built, possibly using its revolutionary unboxed process. This is no longer a future plan. The $15,000 Tesla is becoming a real product, and it's happening now. What exactly is the Model 2, and how can it cost just $15,990? To bring an EV to market at just $15,990, less than half the price of today's cheapest Model 3, Tesla has to disrupt far more than just the car itself. It must rewrite the economics of electric vehicle production from the ground up. That's what Model 2 is designed to do. This isn't a downgraded version of existing Teslas. It's a new generation EV platform, born for cost efficiency, mass production, and global accessibility. Let's start with the battery, the single most expensive component in any EV. While the Model 3 uses nickel-based NCA or NCM cells, the Model 2 is expected to use LFP, lithium iron phosphate chemistry, which is up to 30 to 40% cheaper per kilowatt hour. According to benchmark Mineral Intelligence, the cost of LFP packs dropped below $85 per kilowatt hour in 2024, compared to over $120 per kilowatt hour for higher performance chemistries. For a compact car with a modest 40 kilowatt hour pack, that's just $3,400 in battery cost, nearly half what it would have been a few years ago. Tesla won't stop there. The body structure is expected to be a single-piece rear and front casting using the company's GigaPress, developed in partnership with Hydra. In current applications like the Model Y, this process has reduced the number of individual body parts from over 370 to just 2. The savings are massive. Fewer robots, less welding, and much faster production cycles. UBS analysts estimate gigacasting can reduce body assembly costs by up to 40%. Applying this to both ends of the Model 2 could shave $600 to $800 per vehicle in structural manufacturing alone. Inside the car, simplicity is the strategy. Leaks and insider reports suggest the Model 2 will eliminate the traditional driver display cluster entirely. No digital gauge behind the steering wheel. Just one central touchscreen like in the Model 3 and Y. That alone saves on parts, wiring, and software complexity. Materials will likely favor durable, cost-effective options, optimized for high-speed manufacturing rather than premium feel. On the software side, Model 2 will likely come with basic autopilot only, avoiding the hardware and licensing costs of Tesla's full self-driving package. That decision alone could remove over $7,000 in hardware and software value from the bill of materials, aligning perfectly with the low-cost vision. But the biggest breakthrough isn't in the car, it's in how it's built. Tesla's upcoming unboxed process splits the vehicle into 3 modular sections: front, rear, and cabin, which are built and tested in parallel before being snapped together in final assembly. According to Tesla, this can reduce factory footprint by 40%, cut production time by 30%, and boost output per square meter by twice compared to traditional lines. That's how Tesla aims to bring total production cost for the Model 2 down to $10,000 to $12,000 per unit, making a $15,990 retail price not just possible, but profitable. When will Model 2 launch, and where first? Based on typical Tesla timelines and past rollouts, analysts now believe the car's design will be fully locked in by mid-2025, giving engineers the green light to build a working prototype shortly after. If Tesla follows its usual development cycle, that prototype could be unveiled by late 2025, possibly during an investor event or dedicated product showcase. By then, the manufacturing side, including new production lines optimized for the unboxed process, should be nearing operational readiness. Mass production is expected to begin sometime between Q2 and Q3 of 2026, depending on final regulatory testing and factory ramp speeds. The first units will almost certainly roll off the line in North America, with priority given to U.S. customers due to proximity to Tesla's Giga Texas and potential Giga Mexico facilities. Europe and India are likely to follow shortly after, especially given Tesla's recent negotiations with the Indian government on EV incentives and local sourcing agreements. So, there you have it. The $15,990 Tesla Model 2 isn't a rumor anymore. From battery costs to factory design, Tesla is rewriting the EV rulebook from the ground up. But what do you think? Can Tesla truly deliver this car at scale and on time? Would you buy a $16,000 EV if it hit the market today? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to AutoGearshift, and turn on the bell so you never miss the latest Tesla updates. We're just getting started.